Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0039 error code and losing boost pressure? This issue can cause poor acceleration, turbo lag, and even engine damage if ignored. In this video, we'll cover what P0039 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because ignoring this issue can reduce your car's performance and fuel efficiency. What does P0039 mean? The P0039 code stands for Turbocharger, Supercharger, Bypass Valve Control, Circuit Range Performance. This means your car's ECU has detected an issue with the turbo bypass valve, also called the diverter valve, which controls boost pressure release. If it malfunctions, the turbo may not work correctly, causing loss of power and efficiency. Symptoms of P0039 include check engine light on, turbo lag or delayed acceleration, whistling or fluttering noises from the turbo, poor fuel economy, and reduced engine power. Common causes of P0039 are a faulty turbo bypass valve. If it's stuck open or closed, it can cause boost pressure issues, a vacuum leak or cracked hoses. A leak in the vacuum lines can prevent proper turbo function, damaged or disconnected wiring. The bypass valve needs a proper electrical connection, a faulty ECU or software issues. Sometimes a reflash or update is required, and blocked or clogged turbo lines. Dirt and debris can affect valve movement. Where is the turbo bypass valve located? Typically, it's found near the turbocharger or on the intake side of the engine. In BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen, it is usually mounted directly on the turbo housing. In Ford and Toyota turbocharged engines, you'll find it connected to the intercooler piping. Typically found near the turbocharger or on the intake side of the engine. In BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen, it is usually mounted directly on the turbo housing. In Ford and Toyota turbocharged engines, you'll find it connected to the intercooler piping. 2. Vacuum hoses and boost control solenoid. These are near the intake manifold and connected to the bypass valve. If cracked or loose, they can cause P0039. 3. Wiring harness and connectors. Found near the turbo, usually attached to the valve solenoid. Check for loose or corroded connections. Tip: refer to your car's service manual to find the exact location for your specific model. First, inspect the turbo bypass valve. If it's stuck or not operating, clean it or replace it. Next, check for vacuum leaks. You can use a smoke test or soapy water to detect any leaks. Then, inspect the wiring and connectors. Repair any damaged wires and ensure proper connections. After that, check the ECU for software issues. Sometimes an ECU update or reset can fix the problem. Finally, clear the code and take a test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear the P0039 code and confirm the fix. So that's everything you need to know about P0039, turbo bypass valve control circuit issue. If your car has this issue, check the bypass valve, vacuum lines, and wiring connections first. For more important car fixes, check out these videos next. P0315, crankshaft position system variation not learned, and P0091, fuel pressure regulator performance issue. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.